ensure the operational and fire safety of flue gas systems, they need to be regularly cleaned and checked. This work can be carried out very easily with a Wöhler Viper M. I would like to demonstrate this. We have set up various flue gas systems with different cross-sections and materials here in our training room. However, I would like to start by mentioning 3 things about this Viper. Firstly, the digital meter counter, with which you can directly determine the length of the exhaust system. Secondly, the freewheel brake. When open, the reel is very easy to operate. When closed, it is not possible for the rod to extend uncontrollably. And the third is the quick release fastener. So if you have now different materials or different cross sections, it's very easy to change brushes quickly. And the exhaust system can then be checked. Chimneys and flue gas systems can be checked very easily from below or from the attic with a Viper like this. Which sweep inserts are used must be decided on site. Of course, this depends on the cross-section and material of the flue gas system.